This is a problem that students engaged in the grade 8 math classroom where they're representing linear growing patterns with equations. And a student created this linear growing pattern looking at the relationship between shape number and perimeter. So what we have here on the iPod, or in this case the iPhone, is pictures, a photograph of student work, shape 1 being right here, shape 2 being right here, and then shape 3 being right here. And those photos were taken with the iPod and then cut and pasted into the Mental Note app. What I've got over here is just a capture so you can see all the time of what the three shapes look like and in Smart Notebook software. And here's the actual problem. Create an equation that relates shape number and perimeter using the concepts of rate and constant. So as the kids did this, what they did is they used the Regression app to determine the equation that relates perimeter and shape number. So x represents, in this case, shape number 1, 2, 3 for the three shape 1, shape 2, and shape 3. And then the perimeter is actually right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So the first shape has a perimeter of 14, the second shape has a perimeter of 16, and the third shape has a perimeter of 18. And then we select done, and it gives us an equation in the form y equals ax plus b. So what that means is the equation is y equals 2x plus 12. So let's flip that back to Mental Note and take a look at what was recorded. So we have a table of values recorded there. N represents, right here, N represents shape number, shape 1, shape 2, shape 3, and the perimeter is 14, 16, and 18. The equation that we generated from the Regression app was 2x plus 12. So that's 2x plus 12 is the perimeter. That's what the perimeter is equal to. And so now what we can do is we can ask the kids, once they have that equation, to go back and use their reasoning to say, why is the equation for that shape 2x plus 12? Well, if you look at the equation and what part is actually constant, you'll find that this part right here in the picture is always constant. And the perimeter of that part is always 12. Then what we have after that is we add on 2 each time, and that's where the 2x comes from. So this is an example of using Mental Note, the Regression app, and taking photographs to represent math algebraically.